Hello everyone. In the last two classes, I solved many of the verbal problems. Let me solve some more. Now, today's question is, find two consecutive odd positive integers, sum of whose squares is 290. Positive odd integers. Can you think of what is the odd integers? Odd means what? 3, 5, 7 or odd numbers. Am I right? So suppose if I take, let one number be x. Can you tell me what is the next number? X plus 2. Right? So how do I start? Let the first odd integer be x. Therefore, next odd integer x plus 2. So, after that, sum of whose squares is 290. So, what is given? Sum of whose squares? X square plus x plus 2 the whole square is equal to 290. That's what they are given. So, you use a plus b the whole square. A plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So I write down x square plus 2 into x into 2 plus 4 minus 290 is equal to 0. So 2x square plus 4x minus 286 is equal to 0. So 2 is common, let me take out. X square or dividing by 2, you get x square plus 2x minus 143 is equal to 0. So how do I simplify? Sum has to be 143. Product has to be minus 143. Sum has to be plus 2. So 11 13s. Am I right? 11 13s. You have to get plus 2, plus 13 minus 11. 11 13s are 143. So you get x square plus 13x minus 11x minus 143 is equal to 0. So what is the next step? X is common, x plus 13 minus 11 is common, x plus 13 is equal to 0. X plus 13 is common, take out. X minus 11 is equal to 0. X plus 13 is equal to 0 or x minus 11 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 13 or x is equal to 11. So, the numbers are, the question is positive odd integers. So, minus 13 is neglected. So, therefore, the numbers are how much? 11 and 13. Let us verify whether it is correct. 11 square 121, 13 square 169, 121, 169, 290. Correct. So, next question. The question is very big, isn't it? A rectangular park is to be designed whose breadth is 3 centimeter less than the length. Its area is to be 4 square meter more than the area of the park that has already been made in the shape of an isosceles triangle with its base as breadth of the rectangular park and of altitude 12 meter. Find the length and the breadth. Did you all understand? Let us go stepwise. A rectangular park is to be designed. It is not there. It has to be designed. Whose breadth is 3 centimeter less than the length. So, let us draw the rectangular park. So, this is the rectangular park, you think. This is the length and this is the breadth. Right? So, its area is to be 4 square meter more than what? The area of the park that is already been made in the shape of the isosceles triangle with its base as breadth. See, here there is already one park So, whose base is, what is that? As a breadth of this rectangle, and height is 12 meter. Height is 12 meter. And this is isosceles triangle. The two sides are equal. Find the length and the breadth. So you know what is the formula to find out the area of the triangle. Area of the triangle is equal to half into base into height. So let us find out the area of this triangle. What is the area of the triangle? Half into, so area of triangular base, triangular park is equal to half into base into height, 12 meter, because area of the triangle is equal to half into base into height. Area of the triangle, right? So 2 ones are 2, 6. So area of the triangle is 6b. So it is the area of the triangle is equal to half into base into height. Now let us go back to this main question. A rectangular park is to be designed whose breadth is 3 cm less than the length. So if breadth is breadth, length is 3 meter more than the breadth. So 3 meter more than the breadth. So breadth is, breadth I took, length is 3 meter more than the breadth. Now its area is 12 meter. Its area is shape of an isosceles triangle, 4 square meter more than the area of the park. So area of the park is already there, is we got as 6b. So area of rectangular park is equal to 6 more than the triangular park. Right? Area of the rectangular park is equal to 4 more than the triangular park. So, area of the rectangular park. What is the area of the rectangle? Length into breadth is equal to 4 more than triangular park we found out. 6b. Right? What is the length? 3 plus b into b is equal to 4 plus 6b. So you get 3b plus b square minus 6b minus 4 is equal to 0. So b square minus 6b plus 3b minus 3b minus 4 is equal to 0. So product has to be minus 4, sum has to be minus 3. 4 ones are. So you get, see the rectangular park is like this. So this is length, this is breadth, and height is, this is 12, right? Area of this is 4 meters more than this. We have done all these. So 4 ones are minus 4 plus 1. So b square minus 4b plus 1b minus 4 is equal to 0. B is common, b minus 4 plus b, 1 is common, b minus 4 is equal to 0. So b minus 4 into b plus 1 is equal to 0. B minus 4 is equal to 0 or b is equal to minus 1. B cannot be minus 1. So breadth is 4. Correct? Breadth is 4. So when breadth is 4, length is 3 more than breadth. So when breadth is 4, length is 7. 7 4s are 28. Is it correct? So 7 4s are 28. What is the base you get? 4. Am I right? Breadth is 4. So 4 into 12. Half of 4 into 12 is 24. Is 28 4 more than the 24? Yes. So your answer is correct. Breadth is 4, length is 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. So you understand. A motorboat whose speed is 18 km per hour in the still water takes 1 hour more to go 24 km upstream than to return downstream to the same spot. Find the speed of the stream. Let me give a small example in your daily life. Suppose you go to a guard section or on the way to your school. When there is up, you have to get down from the cycle and you have to push your cycle up, or with a great difficulty of the pedal. Am I right? But while coming down, you have to be very careful because it goes very fast. Am I right? So you understood a little bit situation. When it is going up, it goes very slow. When it goes down, it goes very fast. Now let me read the question. The motorboat whose speed is 18 km per hour in still water. So speed of motorboat in still water is 18 km per hour, and this boat has to go in the stream. They have asked to find out the speed of the stream. Let the speed of the stream be x km per hour. Let the speed of the stream be x km per hour. Now, when it goes upstream, then upstream speed decreases. So 18 minus x km per hour. Downstream speed increases. So 18 plus x km per hour. Did you all understand? Now, you know speed is equal to distance by time. But they have told you in time to go upstream and come back to downstream. So, a motorboat whose speed is 18 km per hour in still water takes 1 hour more to go 24 km upstream. So, what is that? 24 kilometers. So, I can say time taken to go upstream is equal to 1 hour more than to go downstream. So 1 hour I read on 1 here. So time taken to go downstream plus 1. Right? So what is the time taken to go upstream? What is the distance? 24 divided by upstream is, so time is equal to, see, speed is equal to distance by time. So time is equal to distance by speed. Upstream is 24 hours divided by speed. Upstream is 18 minus x is equal to 24 divided by downstream is 18 plus x plus 1. So, time taken to go upstream is equal to 1 hour more than the time taken to go downstream. So, what do you get? 24 divided by 18 minus x minus 24 divided by 18 plus x is equal to 1. Now you take the common denominator. You get 18 minus x into 18 plus x is equal to 24 into 18 plus 7x minus 24 into 18 minus 7x is equal to 1. So 24 into 18 plus 24x minus 24 into 18 plus 24x is equal to 18 square minus x square, using a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. I did the cross multiplication. You understand? So 24 plus 18, 24 minus 18. This minus, this is plus. So get cancels. 24x plus 24x, what do you get? 48x is equal to 324 minus x square. So you bring everything to one side. X square plus 48x minus 324 is equal to 0. The product has to be plus 48. The sum has to be product has to be minus 324. The sum has to be plus 48. If you don't understand this, I said 324 divided by 2. 2 16s are, 2 2s are, 2 81s are. Now 3 27s are. Multiply and see whether you are getting 48. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. 12 and 27 not possible. Again 3 9s are. Again is it possible? 9 2s are 18, 2s are 36. Or 9 2s are 18. 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18. So 18 and 18 not possible. So again you divide. 3 3s are 9. So 3 1s are. So factors, with these factors you have to combine to get 324 as well as plus 48. So 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. 12 3s are 36. 36 and 9 not possible. 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. 27 2s are will do. 27 2s are 54, 54 and 6. Is it possible? Yes. So x square plus 54x minus 6x is minus 324 is equal to 0. See, whenever I do not know the table, I do like this and do the combination. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 2s are 54, then 3 2s are 6 is remain, right? So 54 and minus 6 is plus 48. So what can I do? X is common, x plus 54 minus 6 is common, x plus 54 is equal to 0. X plus 54 is common, take out x minus 6 is equal to 0. So x plus 54 is equal to 0 or x minus 6 is equal to 0. X is equal to 6 or x is equal to minus 54. Is x is equal to minus 54 possible? No. So x is equal to 6. What is x? Let us find out. What is x? So what is x? X is speed of the stream is 6 km per. Speed of the stream is 6 km per hour. Is it clear? I hope you understood all these problems very clearly. I am solving each and every problem because it may be very useful to you later in your lifetime for any promotion or anything. This type of questions come as a GMAT questions. So please try to study this and make the best use of it. So if you understand, if you like my video, please share it with others and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.